TheraBionic device was recently approved by the FDA and entered the US market a month ago. It's a device that emits low and safe level of 27 megahertz radiofrequency electromagnetic fields. And the key to this technology is twofold. First, the discovery of tumor-specific frequencies, which we have discovered through the examination of multiple patients with different types of tumors, and discovered that they had change in pulse pressure at very specific frequencies. We then hypothesized that these frequencies could potentially block tumor growth. To do that, we developed a small portable device which connects to the human body through a spoon that is placed in the mouth of the patient, and thereby the whole body becomes an antenna. We modulate the 27 megahertz at these specific frequencies, and throughout the past 15 years, we have demonstrated that it's capable not only shrinking the tumor in 10 to 15% of patients, but also keeping the tumor from growing in about 50% of patients. The FDA concluded that the device was safe and was probably effective and gave approval last year. And we just received a new CPT code from CMS, and the company also received a certification from the Accreditation Committee from Healthcare in December. So now we're starting commercialization of this device as a new option for patients who fail first-line or second-line therapy or cannot tolerate first-line and second-line therapies. So we looked at the various group of patients treated, hepatitis positive, negative, with or without cirrhosis, and we did not find a common denominator. What we found is that those patients who exhibited a significant response, which means tumor shrinkage by 30% or more, these patients had exceptionally long survival, more than 50 months of survival, median survival. Some of these patients have lived up to 6 years and a half using the device. So in terms of patient safety, it's a device that both in theory and practically is very safe. The emitting power of the device, when you have the spoon placed in your mouth, delivers a level of radiofrequency electromagnetic fields that are about 260 times lower than what you get from your cell phone when it's just on you or you speak with the cell phone. So substantially lower than cell phones. In practice, we have not noticed any significant adverse event, even after treatment for multiple years. The only reports from patients have been slight irritation of the tongue in patients who had mucositis or who had recently received a therapy that dried their mouth, and that was easily addressed by just drinking some water and resuming treatment. We have had also reports of fatigue, very low fatigue, kind of relaxation after treatment, grade 1 fatigue. These are the only side effects that have been reported in more than 150 patients treated so far. So I think physicians who treat hepatocellular carcinoma like me know that we have some good options. Checkpoint inhibitors and TKI have certainly been a major bonus in terms of treatment, but we also know that many patients will not be able to tolerate this therapy after a certain number of months, sometimes years, mostly because their liver gets weaker, and we know that TKI are contraindicated in patients who have a poor liver function. Once you come to this point, or once you have failed 2 lines of therapy, there are not too many options. If you have failed checkpoint inhibitors, you may try another one, but it's unlikely to work. Once you have failed one TKI, it's unlikely that another TKI will work very well. So that becomes really the only option for patients, and this is the only FDA-approved third-line therapy in the U.S. at this time. And we have seen a lot of interest from physicians to inquire about the therapy, and the device has already been prescribed in multiple states since the start of December.